Today, in this webinar, I have invited 3-4 PMP certified who did recently so that they can give you some pointers that will help you in your PMP preparation and how can you manage time during the exam and which topic you can focus and what might be challenges, how can you overcome from those challenges. So I would like to invite here Funmi. She is from Nigeria. She is one of my close to heart mentees. She is always first. She is always give so much love, so much respect, and she is even associated with me since last 1 year. She, despite of so many challenges, she is working lady, she is mom, she is housewife. Still, she did PMP. So it is kind of a stubborn. She is a stubborn. She is having attitude of never give up and keep moving, and this all attitude made her finally winner in terms of PMP certification. So for me, it is your turn. Please go ahead and let us hear your journey in 5 minutes. For me.
Okay, hearing is fine, right? Do I have to use the video?
Yes, please on your video. You are looking so smart for me. Especially like you, don't mind if you are married. I'm also married. It is all about just because you are good looking.
Can you
Go
see
ahead,
me?
please go ahead. Yes, 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 yes.
Okay,
Please go
hello
ahead.
everyone. Hello, and Samir, thank you for inviting me to this session. I've been in the meeting for over an hour and, listening to all the questions and explanations bring back, very good memories. Um, I think Samir has given a good introduction. I got to know him sometime last year, and basically it was due to my interest in the PMP certification. And I'm very happy that I was introduced to Samir. Of course, I was very afraid. I'm totally new to project management. It's not something, I'm not an engineer. I'm not into projects in any way, formally. So I've handled a few projects personally out of a layman experience, but nothing professional. So when I thought to get a professional certification, and I spoke to Samir, the encouragement was good. And I thought, okay, let me register with his program. So, of course, I did. There were so many challenges, time, work, home. It wasn't easy at any point in time. But one thing I must say about Samir is he would not let you rest. So he never allowed me to rest. We kept on having weekend classes, and I kept on wondering, this guy Samir, does he sleep at all? Because I'm tired, I'm almost falling asleep, and Samir is still going, he's still going on strong. So I was very encouraged with his dedication and passion. I'm like, if someone is willing to teach me, then I must be willing to learn. And that was what continued giving me the drive to learn. To be honest, the materials that Samuel shared were very precise, quite helpful, very easy. I had seen quite a number of materials that were bulky and scary, but Samuel's materials were good, hands-on practical knowledge. And one thing I must say is the mock test, the practice test that we kept on, going over and over was so useful. If you are able to do the mock tests over and over again, really the exam will be a walkover. Like a lot of people have said earlier, I heard my other colleague, he mentioned that, the at the examination, you only just need to imagine yourself as a project manager and remove every layman knowledge. What you would normally do may not be the right one. So you have to put yourself in a project manager's shoes. The exam was, to be honest, it wasn't so difficult. I didn't find it very difficult. Maybe it was luck. Maybe it was, due to all the effort I had put in and all the questions I had practiced, and also the guidelines that Samir had given. So I had the expectation of, okay, how long should I spend on a question? If I saw a question I didn't know, I would mark it to come back to it later. I utilized my break period. So after every 60 questions, I will take a 10-minute break, take water, you know, cool my brain. So the next 60 seconds, I was fresh. I could put in fresh energy into it. And that was what helped me to, I didn't imagine I could sit in an exam room for over 3 hours. I'm like, what am I going to be writing? But, it went past very quickly. I'm very glad that I came across Samir. I must say, he's helped me greatly, encouraged me. His course content was very good. I initially registered for the PMP Mastery, and then I moved to the PMP in 30 days. Whichever plan you're on, you're sure that you're getting the best deal. You're sure that you have someone that, cares about you as an individual and wants you to succeed. It's not all about getting payments from you to do the training. For me, it wasn't, I didn't experience that. It wasn't about the money. I'm like, this guy wants me to pass so bad. I mustn't disappoint, And, thankfully to God's grace, I was above target on all domains. When I came out of the exam hall and I sent him a message, I said, Samir, yeah, I did it. It was quite exciting. So I just want to encourage you, if I can pass it. I won't say I'm the brightest. I'm sure there are so many people here that are brighter than I am. They're engineers, they're professional project managers, and all the rest. I won't say I'm the smartest, but if I can pass it, I'm sure everybody else, in this class can pass it. If you follow the steps, follow the week-on-week plan, I'm sure you can do it. So you know what? Go for it, guys. Don't stop. Go for it. You can do it just the way that I did. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Funmi, for sharing all the insights about your PMP journey, about your PMP success. It is really going to be helpful for the people who is joining today webinar. You have shared some insight, you have shared some pointers, you have encouraged the people, and if you did it, everyone can do it. Only things is required, right direction, right strategy, and things will be definitely easy. So with this, thank you so much, guys. Give a round of applause for the Funmi. She is joining us. She is sparing some time to boost all of us. And thank you so much.